Good morning, children. Welcome back to the SST class. In last class, we have learned about the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian deserts. Yes? Yes. And today, I hope that the other topic we have understood. And today, we will deal with this topic, the Peninsula Plateau. Okay? So first, tell me what is peninsula? Peninsula means what?
A piece of land which has water on three sides.
Peninsula means a piece of land. A piece of land which is surrounded by water from three sides is called peninsula. So here, which part we call as a peninsula? Don't say down or up, say south, north, east and west. You should not say down, up. Okay? Southern part of India is called peninsula. Why? Because it has water. It is surrounded by water from three sides. Here, which sea here? Arabian Sea. Here, Indian Ocean, and here Bay of Bengal. So this part, this south part of India is surrounded by the water from three sides. This side is called what? West. In west we have Arabian Sea. In east, Bay of Bengal. In south, Indian Ocean. So this part is called peninsula. Yes or no? See here. The chocolate is not good. It is very difficult to set the camera. See. Understood? East, west, north and south. Here, in west we have Arabian Sea. In east we have Bay of Bengal. In south we have Indian Ocean. So this land, this piece of land is covered with three sides of water. Is surrounded by water from three sides. If our India has got one more ocean here, some river or something. So this part is surrounded by four sides of water. Here also we have one sea or ocean anything. Here also we have Arabian Sea. Here and here. This part is surrounded by the water from four sides. Then what is land we call?
Peninsula. Island.
Very good. Not peninsula. Peninsula means a piece of land which is surrounded by the water from the three sides. एक side में land है, three side में water है. That is called peninsula. My question was, if the piece of land surrounded by water from the four sides, then what it would be? Island. Be island. Very good. Okay. So here Peninsula, you understood? The piece of land which is surrounded by water from three sides. Now tell me what it is. Plateau means what? Plateau. It is called plateau. Plateau means what, children? Peninsula, you know the definition of peninsula. Plateau means what? Yes. The area of flat land which is elevated above sea level is called plateau. Plateau means what? The area of land. The area of flat land. The area of flat land which is elevated above sea level is called plateau. Now you understand what is peninsular plateau?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, plateau means the area of flat land. See here we have water and this is the area of flat land which is elevated above the sea level. अभी ये ऐसा है मैप तो आपको इमेजिन करने के लिए मेरे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. Oh shit. So many things. See, here I have one map. You just hold this map like this. Here we have sea. In three sides we have water, and this is the land. It's called plateau, above the sea level. This land is above the sea level, which is elevated above the sea level. Is called plateau. Understood? Sea level से बहुत ऊपर रहता है. The area that is called flat land, which is elevated above the sea level, is called plateau. Next is the peninsular plateau is divided into two parts: the Deccan Plateau in the south and the Central Indian Plateau in the north. Just a minute. The plateaus are divided into two main parts, which is that one is Central Indian Plateau in the north and another one is Deccan Plateau in the south. This is called Central Indian Plateau, and here we can see Deccan Plateau. We have divided into two parts. It is located in the Indian Peninsula. The Deccan Plateau is in the south and the Central Indian Plateau in the north. It is located in the Indian Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides. The peninsular plateau has the Arabian Sea in the west, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Bay of Bengal in the east. So this part of the land is called Deccan Plateau, and above this we have divided as into two parts, and this part is called Deccan Plateau, and above this we have made it as Central Indian Plateau. The plateau region slopes from the west to east. Rivers like Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri flows through it. They flow from west to east and drain into Bay of Bengal. And this part This part is called Western Ghats. What it is? Western Ghats, and this part is called Eastern Ghats. Okay? And here we can see the Godavari river, Kaveri, Krishna. These are the river which flows here, and it finally flows to Bay of, finally it drain into Bay of Bengal. Here we can see here, this place is Andhra Pradesh and this is Tamil Nadu. Here Kaveri river is there, and in Andhra Pradesh Godavari, and in this part we can see the flow of river Krishna. Okay, finally all three rivers drain into Bay of Bengal. सभी रिवर फाइनली कहाँ जाके मिलता है वो? समुद्र में. यस, फाइनली सभी रिवर्स समुद्र में टच होता है. But see here, the same way here in Tamil Nadu, actually the river Kaveri, it originates from Karnataka, Mysore या कोडगु में है उसका origin, but it reaches where? कौन बहुत झगड़ा करते हैं कावेरी वाटर के लिए? Which two states fights more for the Kaveri water? Karnataka and you don't know? Karnataka and the state Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. These both states fights more for this Kaveri water because कावेरी का मेन जो है उसका उगम कर्नाटक में हुआ, तो भी कावेरी बहती है पूरा तमिलनाडु में. So Tamil Krishna, that is called Kaveri river here, and in Andhra Pradesh Godavari river, and from here Madhya Pradesh के आसपास से Krishna river. All three rivers drain into Bay of Bengal. The plateau regions slopes from the west to east. The plateau region, ये जो है ना plateau region, it is slopes to west to east. वो ऐसे slope में है. Western Ghats से Eastern Ghats को ऐसे slope में है. That's why all the rivers flows through this way and it drains into Bay of Bengal. Understood? At the end of this class, yeah, after this class, I will show you one video, very beautiful video. If you see that video once, I hope that definitely you will understand the whole concept. Okay? It has hill ranges to its east to west. These Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, it has a hills from east to west. The range on the east is called Eastern Ghats. The range on the east is called Eastern Ghats. This is called Eastern Ghats and this is called Western Ghats. Anybody has traveled from here to Sirsi Kumta and all? Anybody travel from Hubli? Yes, Murdeshwar is not in Kumta. Murdeshwar is in Bhatkal. Okay, so from there only you have to go. Have you ever heard Devi Mane Ghat? It is there in the Sirsi Kumta road. Devi Mane Ghat. Yes. Or kabhi, because after 2 days you are getting vacation. If you have planned to go that south side, so please watch that Devi Mane Ghat section. You can see a dangerous ghat over there that comes in Western Ghats. You can see a beautiful nature from Devi Mane Ghat. One temple is there. वो रोड से जाते जाते एक टेम्पल भी मिलता है. सभी बस और सभी गाड़ियां वहां रुक के ही आगे जाते हैं because one temple is there. All tourists they visit that temple and that temple compound से हमें पूरा वेस्टर्न घाट दिखता है. A beautiful view you can watch. That is called Western Ghats. ये साइड में पूरा जो है Western Ghats पड़ता है. Western Ghats has a thick forest with a beautiful hills and a lot many waterfalls. Okay, this side. What comes here? Western Ghats because it's the west side, and here we have Eastern Ghats. The range on the east is called Eastern Ghats. The range on the west is called Western Ghats. The Satpura and Vindhya Hill ranges are located in the north. The Satpura and the Vindhya Hill location, Vindhya Hill, located in the north. They separate the plateau from northern plains. Here you can see the Vindhya Hill and Satpura. It separates this plateau from the northern plains. Here we have northern mountains, northern plains, and this ranges separate this central plains from this northern plain. Okay, एक divider चाहिए ना, हमें हर एक चीज के लिए divider चाहिए. Yes or no? Here we have what we have here, northern mountains, and here we have northern plains, and next to it we have peninsula. We have a peninsula plateau which is covered by water from three sides, and here we have a flat surface of land. Yes? So we need one divider to divide all these things. So this Satpura and Vindhya Hills, the Satpura and Vindhya Hills divide the range of this peninsular plateau from this northern plains. ये एक रेंज आता है ना, सतपुरा रेंज, वो इन दोनों को अलग करता है. ओके, the Satpura and Vindhya Hill ranges are located in the north. They separate the plateau from the northern plains. ये जो प्लेटो रीजन है इसको और नॉर्थर्न रेंज को वो सेपरेट करता है. बीच में कुछ तो चाहिए ना हमें कंपाउंड के जैसे, टू सेपरेट दोस थिंग्स. यस, हमारे घर को और हमारे नेबर के बीच में हमें एक सेपरेट एक चाहिए. हमें क्या बोलते हैं, हम दोनों की जगह को डिवाइड करने के लिए हमें कुछ चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड कंपाउंड. Yes or no? The same way, this hills, this ranges separate this northern plains from this plateaus. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And next one is the coastal plains. Coastal plains. Coastal plains. This side, we have divided this coastal plain into three parts. See here first, there are narrow strips of plain and land on the both sides of the peninsula. These plains are called eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. We have peninsula and also we have coastal plains, because peninsula means it is covered, it is surrounded by water. Water means only water is there? No. Still we have a piece of land in the coastal. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, there are narrow strips of plains land on the side of peninsula. ये जो है हमारे रिवर साइड, यहाँ हमें एक छोटा सा लैंड भी है, बारीक सा हमें प्लेन लैंड भी है. ऐसे बीच ऐसे ही गांव स्टार्ट हो जाता है. यस और नो? दरिया. That narrow land we have, narrow plains we have from both the side of the peninsula. The plains are called eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains. See this, a narrow land. एक छोटा सा हमें जगह भी यहाँ मिला है after this peninsula के बाद में, and this is called eastern coastal plains, and this side it is called the western coastal plains. Okay, since these plains are located near the sea, they have moderate climate. It is neither hot nor cold. And now the climate of this narrow piece of land which is there near this peninsula. See, here you can see the map, and I think my mother's place is here somewhere. That is called Bhatkal. It is in map you can see it is almost there in the sea. ऐसे बाहर दिखता है. For example, you can see Goa also here, right? And this is what my place Bhatkal, and the place which I mentioned that Bhatkal, it same like this. It has a narrow land, narrow plain, and the city is located here in this narrow plain. And that only here they have mentioned, since these plains are located near the sea, it is located near the sea, very close to the sea, and they have moderate climate, and you should see the climate of that particular places, not cold, not hot. But here they have given wrong information. The place of the coastal area is too hot. Humidity उतना रहता है, simply you stand, you will be sweating. उतना sweat होता है because that is seashore places. Coastal side में seashore पे आते हैं, बहुत sweating करते हैं हम. The humidity is too much. As I say always, in coastal side there are only two climate, two seasons, which are there, which are those rainy season and summer season. There is no winter season. कभी भी ठंड नहीं लगता है वहाँ, बारिश होता है फिर भी गर्मी लगती है. These are the climate of all these coastal plains. The same climate you can see in Goa also. You sweat a lot, you get tan. Yes or no? In Kerala also the same climate. Kerala, Goa, and all this coastal area, you will get the same climate. Too much humidity and only two seasons: rainy season and summer season. Okay. How here in Belgavi, most of the year is winter season only. There is no summer. Winter, rain, winter. Yes or no? Yes. I'm fed up with this climate scene. Here we can see the moderate climate. It is neither hot nor cold. They may feel like that it seems, but I feel very hot in this area. So this is our coastal place. Some important part that I will tell here, I will tell you here, which is not given in your textbook, that we have these coastal areas, and this area is for what? This area we have some other name for this area, and we have some other name for this coastal area. At the end of this class, I will show you one video where they have mentioned each and everything so clearly. Definitely you will understand about all the coastal region. Okay. This part of this coastal area is called Gujarat region, and this is called Konkan coastal region. Konkan, from after Gujarat till Goa, Konkan region, and after Goa till Kerala we have Malabar region. Okay, we have got three regions in Western Ghat. In video you will understand. And after this we have the island region. What is this island? Island means what?
The piece of land two sides.
Yes. Island is an area. An island is an area that is completely surrounded by water. Not from one side, two side, or three side. It is completely surrounded by water. Only a piece of land is left in between, and completely surrounded by water. That place is called island. When we get heavy rainfall, our house become island because surrounded all the other areas surrounded by water and our house is only left in between. That is called island. We have faced this problem. Yes or no? 3 years before we got heavy rainfall in Belagavi and we have faced this situation. Our home became island. The main island groups of India are Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman Nicobar Island. The main island we have in India that are Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. Yes, the Lakshadweep Island are a group of islands in the Arabian Sea. Where this Lakshadweep Island is located? In the Arabian Sea, which is in west side. Okay, where is this Lakshadweep Island located? In Arabian Sea. The largest group of islands in India are the largest group of the largest group of islands in India are the Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is in the Bay of Bengal. It is in the east side, that is, it is in the Bay of Bengal. Remember, okay, one island that is called Lakshadweep, it is in the Arabian Sea, and the biggest island, which has a large number of islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar, which is there in the Bay of Bengal. See, this is the partial list of island of India. That anybody have any guess that totally how many islands we have in India? The number of islands that we have in India. Any guess? 5. We have 1,382 islands in our India. How many? Yes, 1,382 islands. 1,300. Yes. See, as someone said here that they have visited Murdeshwara. Who is that? Okay, Arabami. Even you can see one island in Murdeshwara also. It is in Arabian Sea, which is that in Murdeshwara also we have one island that is called Netrani. The island name is Netrani, which is there in Murdeshwara Sea. Next time you visit there, okay? Yes. And there we have scuba diving also. You can do scuba diving from that island. We have boat facility to reach that island. From there you can do scuba diving also. Visit there, okay? And this army people from Karwar, they do the trials of bombs and all in that island. So अभी bomb फेंक के वो trial करते हैं ना, that the trial practices that they do in that Netrani island, which is there in the Murdeshwara Sea. So this is about the island region. We have 2 islands. One is in the Arabian Sea, one is in the Bay of Bengal. In Arabian Sea, we have Lakshadweep Island. In Bay of Bengal, we have Andaman and Nicobar. Total in India, we have 1,382 islands. The partial count. बहुत सारा रहेगा, कुछ अभी तक पता ही नहीं चल पा रहा है. So this is the partial list of this island. So which is the largest island in the world? Anybody know? Largest island in the world? No, in the world. The Android Island. This is the biggest. This is the world's biggest island, the Android Island. Get more information about this Android Island, okay? Homework. And And here I have one more thing to show you. See you children, in next class means after vacation you all have to make a model of different types of landforms. Here I have done half. Actually I wanted to show this in this class but I couldn't. Maybe after vacation if you all come to school we will do this. Okay. I have tried to complete but I couldn't because I need 2 more class to complete this lesson. See, I have done this mountain like this you have to make. See, I am not restricting you to do the same what I have done. You can use your own ideas and you can put up your own plans. Okay? This is what I have planned. This is what I have planned to do. You can do. You can put up your own plan to show the different types of landforms. Okay? Here I have made this. This is the northern mountains and some other thing I have planned to do to execute in front of you all, but I couldn't. Maybe after the vacation we will do this. And after the vacation, I also want you to do some models on this lesson. Okay?